Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. To print platypus, the first two conditions must be false and the third condition must be true. That means 1, x greater than y and x% 2. 0 must be false. 2, x plus y less than 30 must be false, so x plus y greater than 30. 3, x% 2 equals 0 must be true, so x is even. Since condition 3 says x is even, condition 1 can only be false if x greater than y is false. Therefore, we need both x less than or equal to y and x plus y greater 30 with x even. Check the choices. A, x equals 5, y equals 30. X is odd, so the third condition is false. B, x equals 8, y equals. Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.